Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to change keyboard language Windows 10 using your laptop or your PC. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So as you can see here, this is an English language keyboard. Just click this search icon, then type your settings. So right here, click time and language. Then click this language. So you will see here Windows display language. So right here, you will see my language, which is English, Philippines. So right here at the preferred languages, I will just add a preferred language. So for example, this one, Arabic. Then click next. Then I will just click install. It will just take some time, so just wait for it to be installed. Let's go back. Then you will see here ENG or English language. So I will switch it to Arabic Algeria keyboard. So right here. So I will go to Google to test that. Then right here, while I'm typing, it's now Arabic. And that's how to change keyboard language on Windows 10. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!